Hi everyone, in today's video, we are going to build a colorful random walk simulation using Python turtle graphics. So this is the preview. So basically our turtle goes in any direction and each walk it selects random color till our specified condition. So this is what we are going to build by the end of this video. So let's start coding. First we have to import the turtle module. So turtle st and create a turtle object and give it a name as team and t dot turtle and create one screen object also and give it variable as screen and the t dot screen. Set up the window so that it will not disappear from the screen. For that, screen dot exit on click and let's run it. Yeah, this is our screen. Now to generate the random walk, we have to define the directions. So for that, create one variable as directions and give it a value as 0 degree and 90 degree, 180 degree and 270 degree. So these are four possible movement directions. So this represents right, up, left and down. Now we have to move our turtle forward. So for that, let's say team dot forward by 30 and we have to change the direction of our turtle. So team dot, we can give set heading and we have to choose from directions randomly. For that, import random module and here random dot choice from our directions and we want it again and again. So for that, create one loop and give it a value as let's say 200 and add it in our loop and let's run our program and check if it's working or not. Yeah, it is working fine. Now our next task is to give our random walk a random colors. For that, we can use color list also, but I'm going to use the RGB color mode. So let's simply t dot color mode and give it value as 255 because it's the maximum value for any RGB color. Now let's create one function to generate random colors. For that, create random color and give it as color is equal to R, G and B and generate random colors. Let's say R is equal to random. Similarly for G and B. And simply return the color. And here we have to get our colors and call our function. Now let's run our program and check if it is working or not. Yeah, it is working. It is generating random colors for each movement, but we have to give the pen size little bit larger and we also have to speed up the process. For that, give the pen size as let's say 15 and give the speed let's say fastest because we are generating 200 random walk. Now let's run our program again and yeah, it is working very fine. It is looking also good. So this is our overall program, which is I think very simple program. And here is a challenge for you. Try to modify this code so that like you can change the pen size, you can change the speed to slow, to the normal, to the fast or the fastest. Or if you want to make it even bigger, you can give it as 500 or 1000. So you can do whatever you want. And once you complete that challenge, you can paste your code in comment section also. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.